lead pollution had an extreme impact to the people, especially the children in Kabwe, Zambia. More than one-third of the population in Kabwe, Zambia, over 76,000 people, live in lead-contaminated townships. Studies estimate that half of the children in this area have elevated blood lead levels that warrant medical treatment. Okay, now we are at the site that had been polluted with lead. So as you can see, there are two researchers from United Nations are doing their work. Now we are going to interview them. So let's go. Excuse me. We are from News Daily. We are going to interview and ask some questions. So can you tell me the lead pollution levels in this area? Hello, we are research team from United Nations. So now we are conducting a investigation about lead contamination.
So we found that the lead content in the soil are about 70%, which is really higher and it will be affect the children here. So our team will continue the research after this.
Thank you for your time. Okay, I'm Afiq, reporting from Kabwe, Zambia.
Hello, do you enjoy the previous video? Do you know what it is about? The video is about land pollution. So, what is land pollution?
Land pollution is the deterioration or destruction of the Earth's land surfaces, often directly or indirectly as a result of man's activities and their misuse of land resources. Causes for land pollution. First is agricultural sources. These include waste matter produced by crop, animal manure and farm residues. Second is mining sources. This includes piles of coal refuse and heaps of slag and underground debris. Iron and other chemicals such as copper, mercury and lead from mining practices leach into the soil, polluting it. Third, industrial sources. These include paints, chemicals, metals and aluminium, plastic and so on that are produced in the process of manufacturing goods.
Effects of land pollution. 1. Ecosystem. A polluted land will not be able to support the plants and animals that depend on it in keeping food chains intact. 2. Health. There are many pollutants in soils that can be very harmful when exposed to humans over long periods. 3. Environment. Landfills, littered communities and places with dirty landscapes are generally not attractive to tourists and visitors. This means such communities usually miss out on the value and benefits of tourism and investment.
Zambia case study. It is an example of land pollution as it is about soil contamination. The causes are due to mining activities. The effects are prominent towards children. How to solve the issue? Depending on the extent and volume of soil contamination, it can be remedied by 1. Digging out the soil for treatment and disposal. 2. Containing it to prevent it from spreading by placing large plastic material over the affected area. 3. Treating the soil with some safe chemical to neutralize the contaminant.
Other ways of solving land pollution. Proper waste disposal that focus on treating waste and dispersing it in the safest manner possible. Second, reduce waste, reusing and recycling. Reusing materials to reduce the need for harvesting of resources. Products that are not reusable can likely be recycled. Third, organic gardening can reduce the usage of pesticide and insecticide. Non-gardeners can help by buying organic food.